David, welcome to the World Massage Conference.
Thank you, Melanie.
Great to have you here, and we're really looking forward to your presentation.
I'm glad to be here. We've been working hard here to get together a presentation for everybody there. And if you're ready, we'll start it.
We are all set.
Okay. After the first introductory slide, what we want to do is help you to better understand how insurance works, how it can work for you as an RMT out in the world. Insurance is one of those things that's everywhere. You rarely think about it. It protects you, but you can't see it or touch it. You pay for it, and you hope you never have to use it. In Canada, less than 6% of people ever have a claim on an insurance policy, whether it be their liability insurance, auto insurance, or home insurance. So not many people need it, but when you do, you really do need it. No one can predict when something will happen, but instances do happen every day and can be very expensive to you personally and to your business. Insurance is one of those things you can manage, one way of managing risks. Simply, you pay a fee to the insurance company and you transfer that risk to them. So you're not on the hook for liability claims, slip and fall claims. You get the insurance company that will take care of those payments and defense costs for you. In the introduction, Melanie, we've done extensive research and consultation throughout the industry. For over 15 years, we've been insuring massage therapists across Canada. We use one of the key insurance companies in Canada, Novex Insurance, and a lot of the associations to design a specific, unique package for the therapist across the country. It's comprehensive, and we keep learning new things every year, and we keep adapting the policy to cover all the way the industry changes. So it's quite comprehensive. How can I make insurance work for me? That's one of the big questions that people ask for. And if we move to the next slide, what you want to do is purchase a policy that will protect the public, including your clients. You want to look at protecting your assets and your belongings, so things in your clinic. And then you want to protect yourself against injury, and this will be a disability policy, and we'll get into that a little bit later. On the next slide, that's where we're getting really into the key part of the policy. You, as a practitioner, have an obligation to ensure that the work performed by you does not cause injury or damage to others. Okay? And as a professional, you're legally obligated to protect your clients and others while they're on your premises. Just like a doctor or a lawyer or a chiropractor, you've taken a course, you've been certified as a professional, and you're charging for the services. That's where you deem to have a professional exposure, professional liability is needed. Liability insurance is the way to protect the public and yourself. On the next slide, there's different types of liability insurance for those out there. The first one and the main one that we talk about on the next slide is the professional liability. It's also known as malpractice insurance, errors and omissions insurance, PLI insurance. They're all the same. Doesn't matter what kind of wording they've got. They're all covering you as an individual for your professional liability exposure as a massage therapist. On the next slide, we're defining that professional liability in very simple terms. It's injury caused by your actions or non-actions as a massage therapist. It's that simple. The insuring paragraph in our policies is only 2 lines long, and that's what it's covering. It's your actions or non-actions as a massage therapist. What we mean by your actions is, during the course of massage, you're causing somebody to have an injury, which is obvious. Through your non-actions, we've had claims where individuals have come to a therapist for treatment, and they failed to treat the wrong symptom. So really, the treatment didn't cause any damage, but the fact that they didn't treat the specific symptom or condition is what caused further injury and further damage to that individual. So, by doing nothing or doing the wrong thing, you can have a claim under professional liability. Some of the claims that we've had, many of the people learn a rib spring technique. We had an individual practice that. It didn't go too well, actually caused a cracked rib in the individual.